Understanding Move the Goalposts, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, move the goalposts. This expression is widely used in conversations, but what does it actually mean? Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and origins together. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Move the goalposts refers to changing the criteria or rules of a situation in a way that is unfair or makes a goal harder to achieve. It's like playing a game where the rules keep changing to benefit one player over another. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from sports to business, and even personal relationships. The phrase originates from sports. Imagine literally moving the goalposts in a game of football, soccer, or rugby, making it more difficult for one team to score. This visual helps understand why the phrase is used metaphorically to describe situations where objectives or rules are altered, often to the frustration of those who are trying to meet them. Let's go through some examples to see how move the goalposts is used in everyday language. In the workplace, just as I was about to meet my sales target, my manager decided to move the goalposts and increase the target by another 20%. In personal goals, I was trying to save money to buy a new car, but with the sudden rise in prices, it feels like the goalposts have been moved. In negotiations, every time we think we're close to an agreement, the other party moves the goalposts by introducing new demands. When using move the goalposts, it's important to contextualize the unfairness or the challenge of changing standards. It's usually expressed in a way that highlights frustration or difficulty due to the changes. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to convey that sense of unfairness or moving targets. Understanding phrases like move the goalposts not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English. It's fascinating how sports terminology can find its way into everyday language, reflecting the dynamic and playful nature of English. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression. Keep learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries. Don't let moving goalposts discourage you. Instead, let them be opportunities for learning and growth.